been issued by the civil authorities. Please stand by for further instructions. A civil danger warning has been issued by the civil authorities. Please listen to this following message as it might save your life. An explosion has occurred at the Ducky Research Facility near your area. It was a failed experiment. As of now, we only have statements from staff members and researchers working at the facility. According to staff members of the research facility, an experiment involving rubber ducks had critically failed due to a researcher making a critical error. None of them wanted to give any further statements. However, it appears that at least 300 hostile, mutated rubber ducks had escaped from the facility. The Swan County Police Department is advising everyone to lock their doors and windows and to not go outside unless absolutely necessary. Also, make sure that these mutated rubber ducks won't notice you, as we are unsure as to what their capabilities are. The only thing that the researchers gave to us are small bits of information, as they themselves don't even know what they created. Do not hesitate to call for help. We will be working with the Ducky Research Facility researchers in order to contain or terminate these entities. Stay tuned. This is all for now.